This video is on the apps that I recommend you have on your smartphone for this school year. These apps are all free and they all are within the Great Falls Public Schools acceptable guidelines for smartphone apps. Why do we want to download these apps? Well, in case we have to go to remote learning, it's going to make things easier. All the homework that's going to be assigned this year for my class will be turned in through the Google Classroom. Being able to access that from your phone, especially if you're going to do your work on paper, take a picture of it, send it in, is a lot easier with these apps on your phone. You also have a free word processor, spreadsheet, and slideshow app, as well as free calculators like the ones on your standardized test. And anything on your phone you can upload to your Google Drive if you need to use it for class. So the first app I think you should download is Google Drive. You can access all of your files from your school Google account. You can upload pictures of your homework to your Google Drive to hand in Google Classroom. Google Docs. If you need any word processing done, you can do that really quickly if you need to just jot a note to yourself on your phone. It does not have the equation editor for math stuff, but you can do other work off of it. Google Sheets. You have access to a spreadsheet. You can even use some of the formula functions of a spreadsheet, all from the confines of your phone. Google Slides. This is somewhat limited. It's a little harder to use. It's better for viewing a slideshow than creating it, but in a pinch, you can do Google Slides on your phone. And finally, Google Classroom. You can access all your Google Classrooms from your phone. You can use it to hand in work from your phone. I've even graded people's work from my phone. Now, the low rating on this app is due to the TikTok rebellion. During the coronavirus shutdown, a lot of students didn't want to do their work on Google Classroom, so they got together on TikTok and left bad reviews hoping it'd be removed from the App Store. I read some of the reviews. There were song lyrics, there were stories, but not a lot that was critical of Google Classroom. In terms of calculators, Desmos has a variety of calculators you can use that are really good. The Desmos Scientific Calculator will take care of most of your middle school math. Again, this is like the testing calculator on most of our resources. There's also a free Desmos graphing calculator, so if you want to be able to graph equations and get comfortable with how that works, this is a free way to do it instead of spending $150 on a graphing calculator. New this year is Desmos Test Mode. It doesn't have all the features of the scientific calculator or the graphing calculator, but this lists the tests where they use this software on to embed a calculator into the test, and that includes the SBAC and the MAT test that we take. One of the things that this does is it locks the rest of the phone when it goes into test mode, so you can actually use this calculator on a test in my classroom as long as you show me the lock screen when you hand in the test, and I know you didn't use your calculator to do that. I can't even share a screenshot of that with you because it locks the screenshots out as well as every other function when I try it on my phone. Well, I hope this list has helped you come up with some apps. I really encourage you to load these so that you can use your phone as a tool and not just as a toy. Thank you for your time.